Oh, okay, okay. My hair.
Oh, really? You're thinking about your hair right now?
Yes, of course.
Is it that important right now?
Yes. My hair is my life.
What is that?
What?
No, come on, look at it. It looks so familiar. It looks so familiar.
I think it is a Petrosains show competition, right?
What?
That competition.
But what again?
Petrosains.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that. We are supposed to do it today, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's continue with our topic. So today, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, I am Divya Rao and this is my friend
Wansharia. We are from SMK Clifford, representing our school for this Petrosains show competition. Okay, so today we are going to explain about our topic, which is pressure.
Let me just enlighten our fellow ladies and gentlemen with a brief explanation about what is pressure.
So what is pressure?
I don't really know what is pressure. The definition of pressure.
Please explain it.
It means a continuous physical force exerted under or against an object by something in contact with it. There are two more, if you'd like them.
Let me just summarize this whole definition. Pressure is a physical force that is constantly exerted on or against an object. So today, we are going to do an experiment to show pressure in our atmosphere. Can you please explain what materials that we need for this experiment?
We need plasticine, bottle cap, and of course balloon, CD, a pair of scissors, and
A knife.
a small knife.
Let me just explain the procedures that we are going to do. The first thing that we are going to do is make a hole into the cap.
This is how it's done.
After that, we are going to put a blown balloon into the cap. Okay, so my friend is going to blow up the balloon. Now you see it.
But now you don't.
And voila, the magic happens. And now, spin it a little so that the air wouldn't come out when you leave it. Okay, please help me put the bottle cap into it.
Okay.
And you leave it like this. Okay. And the second step that is needed to be taken in the balloon is to put the cap on
CD.
Cut a plasticine into half and then roll it around. And this is the effect after rolling it. And put it around the cap to make sure that there's no air gaps between the cap and the balloon. After putting the plasticine on the CD spins itself on the thing like a hovercraft. It's hovering across the surface without touching the surface of the table. The pressure from our atmosphere causing it to fall down. The disc will fall down. The disc will fall down if there is no pressure given by the balloon. When the balloon releases its gas, the disc will hover, but it wouldn't fly high enough because the pressure from our environment is pushing it down, so it only hovers above the surface of the table. This concept can be clearly used on our today's vehicles, for example, hovercrafts. So, this we can conclude the end of our first experiment.
Oh my God, again!
We are back at it again for our second experiment to prove that pressure is everywhere, including our atmosphere. We are going to do a demonstration. Please explain the things we are needed, my friend.
Panadol soluble and a bottle that is filled with water, of course, and a pair of scissors.
Firstly, open the bottle cap and cause the bottle to bend. Then, please my friend, cut open the solubles.
We need to take this Panadol out and put it in this bottle.
And as quick as lightning, quickly close the bottle.
You will see the difference, the transformation.
the concept of air pressure pushing the bottle to go tick, 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 boom. So, when we insert the Panadols into it, the Panadol solubles, the air pressure caused by the air solubles is because these Panadol solubles releases air. So these small circles are the air particles. Once these air particles fills up the bottle, it slowly becomes less dense and poof, the cover explodes. There no more dents in the bottle, and the bottle is hard as a rock now, and it can explode anytime,
anywhere. Clearly, we can conclude that the pressure is an energy that can change the shape and the direction of an object. We're back again from
for that experiment.
For an experiment with, of course, this is a glass jar. This is a candle.
We need a lighter.
A lighter, matches, and a bowl for coloring, and a bottle
of water.
After
lighting up the end of the candle, it can stand like this. Then fill up the bowl with some water.
Then we need to add some color for coloring.
Light a match and light the candle. After that, cover the candle with the glass jar. Because of the heat caused by the candle, there's heat change causing the jug to be hot and heated up. Once it's heated up, there's a change in pressure in the jug. The pressure from outside is lower than the pressure inside, so the water flows into the jug, filling a bit of the jug. As the water flows into the jar, the flyer disappears.
For the conclusion, the water rises up the bottle because there is a change in temperature inside the bottle, and that's why the change in pressure happens. With the pressure change, what happens is that to compensate this difference, the water enters the bottle and events this difference. Yes, that's why we can see that the water flows up in the bottle.
This shows that pressure is everywhere.
Hey, I want to pack my things. I want to go home now.
Hey, one more last experiment. Wait, one more last experiment.
What?
Our last experiment for the competition.
Oh yeah, right. Oh my god, I almost forgot it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Today, we're going to continue about the same topic, which is pressure. Today's experiment will be shown by my friend, and the materials needed.
Yes. What is this?
It's a bottle. Bowl.
Then we need
Plasticine.
coloring food. Yeah, food coloring. The little sharp knife. A balloon. A straw.
A jug of
Almost forgot.
water.
Oh, yeah.
The first step for experiment today is to poke the hole into the empty bottle. Take off. After that, after making a hole into the bottle, insert
Here is the hole.
insert the straw into the hole, just like this.
And then we use this plasticine to cover the hole and the gap.
After finally closing the gaps with the plasticine, there's no air holes in there. Next, mix some coloring into the water, just for the fun of it. Pour the water into the bottle. After filling water, not over the hole. Please, can you blow up the balloon?
Again with the magic? Yeah?
Now you see it.
Now you don't.
A few moments later.
Well, away!
Voila! The balloon.
Is now bigger than before.
Okay, after that, put the mouth of the balloon onto the bottle cup. Okay, let go of the air and the balloon. As we can see, the balloon is pushing out the air, causing the water to flow out of the balloon. The pressure inside the balloon pushes the air going into the bottle. So this pressure will go into the straw and push it, finding a hole to escape, and whoosh, it goes down into the metal jar. So, shows that pressure can change the direction of an object. That's all for today. Thank you. Satu.
May the force be with you.